Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 58 Azalea Road in Rochester.
This is an amazing colonial updated to perfection. So let's take a tour.
This remarkable home features an expansive designer eat-in kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, black stainless steel appliances, a gorgeous tile backsplash, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the dining room with arched entryways and crown molding. Open to a spacious living room with a gas fireplace and an adjacent sunroom. The first floor also features a bedroom or great office with built-ins, plus a powder room and laundry. While the upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors, including a spacious master suite with a sitting area, a wall of closets, and a stunning bathroom.
This home has an elevated deck and patio for outdoor entertaining, all overlooking the very private, beautifully landscaped backyard. This property has an ideal location, steps away from beautiful Highland Park and the University of Rochester.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 58 Azalea Road in Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!